everybody, I'm Rudrani, and of course, so excited to meet her because besides being extremely gracious, she's also extremely talented. She's truly the queen. Hello, Manisha ji.
Hi.
Let's see, you still give the queen vibes. How can
Really,
you
I
not?
do? Oh wow, I didn't know.
You continue to do so, but what a night. You've gotten so much love for your character in Hira Mandi. The love continues, and we are here to celebrate exactly that. How is this feeling?
It's feeling great, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed. And this means a lot to me and to entire team of Viramandi because we really have loved working as well as we've worked very hard. So it means the world to us.
It's fantastic. I will quickly ask you a few more questions. There have been many. I'm sure your colleagues and a lot of your people have been nominated as well. Some performances that stood out for you, and some that that you've loved.
Well, honestly speaking, I know how hard while working I've seen my colleagues work. So I'm rooting for them. I'm selfish. So I'm rooting for all entire team of Hiramandi.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am, and have a great night ahead. Thank you so much. What a year this young, beautiful actor has had. Hamari Phool, Nitanshi. Tanshi, congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's been a blessing, full of blessings here. Uh, the first time I met you, we were talking about how much the film is getting love, and now that we're going to the Oscars, it's just crazy and lovely.
Can we believe that? Can we believe the film has been going to on? It's
feel
just,
free.
it's amazing. It is an Oscar nominated. Even if it gets selected, and I do hope that we do something. But you can actually see that it was selected from India for Oscars. That's a massive deal. I want to say, I can see Rashi ji here, but how was that moment for you? How did you react to that?
The moment I got to know, I was in the middle of a meeting. So there were a lot of notifications and a lot of messages coming up, and I was like, wait, what has happened? Why is the internet suddenly breaking apart? And I was like, okay, let me check. And I saw so many news articles about Lapata Ladies being the official selection. And I was like waiting for Kiran Man's official confirmation in our Lapata Ladies group chat that, is this really happening? And the moment her text came up, we all sent our best dancing emojis. I had my emotional moment with my mama. We cried happy tears, and I was like, oh my god, this is really happening.
Before I let you go, and sir, I must say, Phool has been such an inspiring character. Uski journey, I think, we've discussed so much about Phool, but I feel it still deserves it. Do you feel that, and you hope that people create more such characters because there are still fewer of those, so that person like you who you wants to put out there as a young actor gets the opportunity to explore it?
Definitely, I feel more innocent and vulnerable characters like Phool should be written because I feel she was such a powerful character, being so silent. There was so much resilience in her, and I feel there's a lot of strength in being silent and being kind and in just being a good person out there.
So true. I'll let you go inside. Rashi ji ने हमेशा मुझे कहा है कि she wanted to see you walking the red carpets, all of that, and you've done. And I see that. You went to IFFI, you're here. I'm so proud of you. How does that make you feel?
It feels lovely. I'm just trying to feel every moment, facing the cameras, posing my best pose that I've always practiced my entire life, that this is how I'm going to pose when I'll be in front of the camera. So now when I get to do it, I'm like, yes, this is my moment.
Very proud of you. Is there any favorites that you're rooting for this year?
Many. I'm yet to meet them, and I'm going to tell them how much I love their work.
Absolutely fantastic. Have a great night ahead, and I love you. I'm at the Danny Properties Film Pro Awards 2024, and with me is the very talented, the queen of OTT, Rasika Dugal. Of course, you're the queen of Mirzapur and the queen of OTT. Own it.
I'm owning it.
You're owning it?
Yeah.
But it's been a crazy season for you as well, right? Like, I know there've been mixed reactions, but like the love doesn't reduce. There's a lot of expectation that comes from Mirzapur. How are you holding?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think this is all love. I don't think there's anything else because I think by the time you reach the third season of a show, people feel like it's their own and they own the show. So they feel like they have to have a say in everything, which is great. We love it.
Fantastic. We are here for celebrating the best of OTT. You'll have to take me your picks. Tell me the ones that you've noticed. Some actors you feel are underrated. Everything.
अंडररेटेड तो खैर आजकल के ज़माने में नहीं रह गया क्योंकि सबको अपना ड्यू मिल रहा है, सबकी परफॉर्मेंसेस को पहचाना जा रहा है. बट आई थिंक द वंस दैट आई रियली लव्ड, आई थिंक इज Konkana, as always, She's just never puts the wrong foot forward. She's always so good. I really loved Arjun Mathur in Made in Heaven, so I'm really rooting for him. KK Menon as usual. So yeah, those are some of the performances.
I think they are great choices. What is it? What are you looking forward to from tonight, and who are you rooting for?
I'm nominated for Best Actor in Comedy, so I'm very excited because I've really been looking forward to doing more comedy, and somehow I always find myself getting more drama-oriented VP roles. So this time I've been nominated for Humorously Yours in Best Actor for Comedy, so I'm very excited.
You know, you're cheering for everybody else, and we are cheering for you, Rasika. Thank you, and I love you.